Well, I just received a fantastic package, and it's from Andy in China. All the replacement pencils, angel sets, they're all here, and the prizes. So I'll be sending them out. I guess that's what I'm going to be working on tonight. Yay! He always sends me these extra things. I have no idea what these are, but I just found this in the box, and I don't know what they are. Maybe crayons, food in fricateur, wax crayons. Wow, look at that. Those are cool. And look at this. These are all replacement pencils for us. Run out of a pencil color? I got your back. And there's still 2 more boxes. This is the first time I'm actually seeing the booklet. Wow. So I think one person didn't get a booklet. I'll be sending that. Another full pencil case. These are for the angels and for the PR kits, which people have not gotten yet. So, yay. Everything is here. More pencils. Well, that was a really happy surprise. I wasn't expecting that box to get here for another couple of weeks because Andy just sent it. I don't know how he had it get here so fast, but I'm really happy. So now everybody will get their things. I've been telling everybody a couple of weeks, but it doesn't look like it's going to be a couple of weeks. I'm going to work on it tonight. I'm going to just get some sleep. And you guys know I'm normally asleep at this hour, but I felt like coloring. So if you don't know what the angel packages are, I didn't fully explain it because it's really something that goes on behind the scenes. We give packages out to charity, and there's a group of people who are there's a group of colorists on YouTube that have gotten together and they bought a whole bunch of sets. And there are individuals that we know can't afford the pencils. We know it. And there are certain charities that really could use these pencils, like nursing homes and homeless shelters for women and children. And we're going to be giving these out. Some of you have already gotten them, and you know what the Angel program is. It's not something I'm going to be talking much about because it's something that we do basically in private as the need arises. But it was nice to see that they're finally, after all this time, here. And I haven't gotten any of the YouTubers anything out yet. As you can see, they just arrived. I was going to send them directly from Amazon, but they wouldn't let me buy so many sets. Just because that there was a rush on this, we wanted to make sure there was enough for everybody to go around, so I couldn't buy all of them at once. And that's for everybody, and that's just the way it is. So I'm happy to say Andy put that rush on it here, and it'll be coming. So I'm going to go work on things. I'm going to get some sleep and start working on things. I got to unpack those boxes. They are heavy. Really, you don't even realize how heavy wood is like that. So I will see you guys a little bit later. Take care.